So moving on to problems like 11, 12, 13, and 14. They're not very complicated, but where the complicated part comes in is showing them as interval notation. So something like 11 or 12, like 3 and x plus 1 less than or equal to negative 2 and x. Now let's do 3x plus 7. Alright, so you do some distributing and get 3x plus 3 less than or equal to distribute, which means multiply the numbers in front, the coefficients, negative 6x minus 14. So I'm going to plus 6x to both sides. I get 9x plus 3 less than or equal to negative 14 minus 3 minus 3. 9x less than or equal to negative 17 divided by 9. I'm dividing by positive, so no need to flip the sign. So x is less than or equal to negative 17 over 9. That is a decimal. 9. That's a decimal approximately like a negative 1.8-ish. Alright, interval notation. So think of the number line. You'd have negative 1.8. You'd have closed circle, less than or equal to. So it's going this way towards negative infinity. So in our interval notation, we would have negative infinity with a parenthesis, comma, negative 1.8. And since this is equal to, we would have a bracket there. Now, something like number 13 and 14, where you'd have 3x minus 2 greater than 4 and let's see, 4x minus 1 less than 11. So you have too many problems to do. So add 2 both, you get 3x greater than 6 divided by 3, x is greater than 2. The other one plus 1 plus 1, 4x is less than 12, and divided by 4, you get x is less than 3. So when you do this, since it's an and statement, they will be combined into one. So you think of a number being greater than 2, be that way. A number less than 3 would be that way. Well, if it's an and statement, it has to satisfy both this and this, so it has to use both properties of your answer. So when you do interval notation, you would have parenthesis 2 and then a 3. Now this is for an and statement. You could have bracket if they were less than or equal to. Unlike something like number 14, if you have something like a plus 5 less than or equal to 2, and now you have the word or in there. 3a minus 1 greater than or equal to 5. Minus 5 from both sides, so too many problems. A is less than or equal to negative 3. Or add 1 to both sides, you get 3a is greater than or equal to 6, divided by 3, a is greater than or equal to 2. Now if I were to draw a number line with these, you'd have a negative 3 here, closed circle, and go that way towards the negative infinity. That's a bad one. Here we go, negative infinity. For this one, you'd have positive 2, closed circle, towards positive infinity. Well, the word or indicates this is totally fine. If this was an and statement, it would be no solution because there's nothing in common. However, This is an OR statement, so it can be in this answer or this. So how you write an OR statement is negative infinity, -3. I'm going to write this one first with a bracket. The OR, you write a U here. This is called union. It's in this or it's in this. 2, bracket, because it's underlined, positive infinity, close. This whole thing is your entire answer. So try that for number like 14, and on the next video I'll get 15 through 19, and hopefully you'll be done.